Alright, we're starting. Stop!
What's up, guys?
Part 2.
Part 2, guys. We are now installing these thingies,
And then the other thingies.
and then we just had some extra ideas that we'll be throwing in with the wood that we found to build around these thingies.
Mm-hmm.
BRB. Burb.
Handle. Forks. Spinny thingy.
Field goal posts.
Field goal post. Okay, where's the actual instructions? Oh, there you go.
This might take a minute, guys.
It wasn't doing it, coach. Alright, we're gonna end the recording here.
It's gonna take a minute, guys. Trust. I just finished up with mine. It works. Some people are still working
on mine. I'm gonna crash out! So much fun. Get the loop-de-loop out.
I think
This way, right?
I mean, we know it unravels good. Trust the process, guys. I think we just...
Like this.
It's supposed to like...
Wait. Oh wait, we gotta feed this through. Instructions.
What? Oh, yeah, let me just...
We're gonna
trying.
figure it out. What's gonna happen? Confused.
I give up.
That's the end of the video.
What's up, guys? Day 3 of part 2, actually. We did absolutely nothing yesterday because we couldn't really do anything to build.
Exactly. We still gotta figure out how to use the hose reel.
Flashback. End of flashback.
We built them, but we don't know how to use them yet, so hopefully by the end of today we'll have some stuff installed back here. Probably not though. We got this piece of wood up. Now we're gonna throw on the side of the truck, and then we're gonna attach all those spray can holders. That's basically what we're gonna do.
We got the piece.
Yes. Okay, all done.
Alright, and that's the end of the video.
We're so good. We're so smart.
We're actually like the smartest builders of all time.
Day 4, guys.
Day 32 of this piece of wood. Finally got our pieces cut. Now we have to put it all together and then we're gonna paint it black. If we have black paint. If we don't, it's just gonna look like wood. I don't know if we recorded screwing all the things in, but
We did it.
we did it. And
It's
now
in.
it's screwing. That is not moving. We did it. I did it! 2 days later! How does it go? How? It just stops working or something?
More power.
How?
I think it still holds in, right? All right, guys, that's it. Lunch!
Lunch! Probably the next video. We should probably get another screw. Oh.
That's why I said it's sticking out like no tomorrow. Yeah, good luck taking that out. So where we laying in that?
So what we landing at?
What's up, guys? Heading over to Home Depot to pick up some screws, and yeah.
What's up, guys?
Plan is we're gonna drill holes under the turf. Boom, 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 boom for these 4. Slide the bolts under. Nuts. Tighten them up. We'll be right back. Jacob's taking 10 years. Oh, wow, it's in there.
Is it on?
Yeah.
See, it's on. It'll work.
But can you pull it out pretty easy?
Fire.
Alright, guys.
Done.
That's what. Oh, was I even recording? Oh, we're going.
We are putting them on. One there, and the other one somewhere.
Oh my god. Why didn't it do that the first time?
Well, because we had to hold it.
Oh my god, you know how freaking easy this is gonna be now? And mine, brick by brick.
This isn't even on the right side. Oh my god.
What do you mean it's on the right side?